action.
All right, today, guys, we're learning about the fact that Jesus loves me regardless of my sin. We learned this in Acts 26, 1 through 29, about Paul's redemption. Today, we're going to be doing a obstacle course called road construction. You can use anything around your house just to lay out an obstacle course, and you'll have one person blindfolded and the other person giving directions. The directions we're going to use are just forward, right, left, stop, U-turn. You're trying to get them to the end of the road course, construction course, and here we go, we'll try it.